I have no idea what Mother Nature was thinking when she made the sawfish. First off, this is a fully carnivorous hunter. They're also massive. They get up to 25 feet long and 1,300 pounds apiece. And 1/3 of that body length is the flippin' saw sticking out of their face. That saw could get over 7 feet long. That's Shaquille O'Neal in the form of a weapon. And when they find their prey, they just start swinging that thing back and forth in a sweeping motion. And they're known for chopping animals completely in half. And that includes sharks. In other words, all this thing has to do is shake its head no, and limbs go missing. I don't like it.